Guys, welcome back. We are going to be installing this K&N air filter on this 2017 Toyota Sequoia. Stick around. Push that little latch up right here. All right, your air filter is over here. Okay, I don't know if we have to take anything off of it really. Might disconnect this just to have a little movement, and we might disconnect this or loosen it up. It's gonna have these little brackets right here, clips. One, there's two. Let's see if we get it to shift off. Hey, well, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this up. Take a 10mm socket. We'll loosen that up. I'll just kind of move this out of the way for a second. K&N filter, tough and rugged. All right, you definitely want to change out your filters because you want that fuel-air ratio perfect. If you got a stopped up air filter, at some point it's going to throw off that fuel-air ratio. So we're just gonna switch out this one, which wasn't that bad, but you can see it was a little bit jacked up. Couple of leaves in there. You'll set that K&N down in there, just like that. You just set it down in there like that. Pretty simple. And then we'll go ahead and reconnect. Click. And then go ahead and tighten to the right. Tighten it to the right. Okay. There's that. So we're at the side here, and this is where these little clips are. Pull that clip up over that edge, push down and lock it. Locked. Good to go. So let's go over this. Here's your code. I guess it's 33-5017. It's washable. So it's a lifetime K&N filter, washable, up to 75,000 miles between cleanings. I'm not too sure about that. I think you would clean it before that, but washable, multi-layer, and it looks pretty durable. So you need to change this. You want to make sure that the fuel ratio, you want to make sure that fuel and air ratio is perfect in your car. So if you don't change these, it will throw it off and your car will start running rich. So put this in the description. This only took maybe 2 or 3 minutes to change. Not that big of a deal. So if you did like the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.